Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is currencies. In currencies, basically, we discuss lots of topic. Basically, in this basically one of the topic basically we are discussing, that is ideas. If I say that ideas equal to global warming, then it would be 100% correct. This education sector basically it's a global warming basically. It's a giving a error basically, that is 20% basically. And on the base of this only basically the entire human needs are also basically created. So actually the education creator, he actually was supposed to take care of this, but he has not taken care, and due to that basically it might possible that somebody will get suffer basically, like he will suffer in cancer disease, he might suffer in heart disease, he might suffer in head cancer, he might suffer in stomach cancer, he might suffer in each and every body cancer basically, entire body cancer basically, due to this 20 percentage education error basically, due to this 20 percentage error basically. And lots of people says that basically error is basically outside the city basically, but it real basically is error is in the not outside city, it's basically inside the human body basically. That human body basically is doing the lots of process basically. Yesterday we have, in the last video basically, we have already discussed this. I have taken small example, this that example, each and every example I have taken, and that basically clears that basically the error is basically not from the outside basically, not from the nature. Nature will never give basically the error, because nature is 100% perfect creation. The human created, the human creation basically creates the problem basically. In this basically, one person told that basically where actually the error is the error is in commerce, is the error is in science, is the error is in arts, is the error is in the management side. That was actually the question, and there's basically there was no answer of the question for this basically. Even with the energy department also basically, even the nuclear power company can't say that, because they are telling everything is created. This actually everything basically which is written basically, this was supposed to do long before basically, when the education sector actually started. So one of the person asked that basically, who is the person basically who created the education sector basically, he is the problem basically, and his group is basically the problem basically. For example, commerce basically contains 1 lakh people, they are handling the commerce. Arts basically contain 1 lakh people, science basically contain 1 lakh people. So this 3 lakh people basically are basically supposed to do this 20 percentage error solve basically. Then basically they are supposed to start the education work basically. Then one of the person asked these people basically, that what we can do basically, book is basically not created by us, right basically. Then he told that we are basically not into the book creation basically, we are just reading the books, and whatever things is written in the books basically, that only basically we are doing it. Then the person basically told that basically that is also basically correct. But one of the person told that if we change the education system, then the environment basically can become can be changed basically. Then he told that basically that's basically need to do research basically for this. Can the education system basically, the way basically the education system is designed, books is designed, the things basically which is designed, in that basically if we do some changes basically, can we basically do this change, and basically can we improve the this 20 percentage global warming error. Then the question basically was very dangerous basically, this question basically was very dangerous basically. Then the one of the person told that basically, if the research basically of the education department do basically, not does basically, if they do basically, then basically it might basically possible. If basically we are thinking up to this level, then basically they also might have thought up to that level. Basically they also might be knowing that education basically is a problem, that global warming is basically connecting to the 20. That means one of the person told that basically to save this to save this entire colleges, to save this entire software companies, the each and every companies basically, somebody has done this created this global warming error basically. Then the question actually was genuine actually, somebody is trying to save this everything basically. That means he know that basically some problem basically has happened in the creation basically, so he's trying to solve basically. In the trying to solve, basically he is creating this issue, that issue, this issue, that issue, each and every issue basically he is creating, so that this problem basically which is occurred basically, that can be hide basically. But this basically can't be hide na basically. If you think basically the each and the Gaza basically is finished, right? Basically this all are basically experiments. Few people basically are telling that this all are experiments basically. Few people basically are telling this all are basically experiments basically which is ongoing, and few people basically are telling this all are the personal enemy basically. What is correct? That basically nobody knows na basically, because the possibilities are too much. The real possibility you can't reach up to the thing basically. The real thing basically which due to the war has started, that basically you can't reach up to the level basically. 20% education is error is there basically. This error basically, few people told that basically if we study the education basically, can we basically found the education this error basically solution? Then one of the person told that basically solution basically can be found from education's system change. Is this possible? Then one of the person told that that basically need to do research basically. So research basically required here. One of the person told this basically. Then one of the person told that the books basically which is created na, that need to do the certain level of R&D basically. Books created that required some R&D. This only those group can do who basically got the PhD degree. That's why some few people say that PhD degree is created for this purpose only basically. Each and every degree is created for certain level of purpose basically. So few people say that each and every industry basically have PhD degree. Like software industry have PhD degree, doctor industry have PhD degree, lecturer industry basically have PhD degree. Then each and every sector basically, the mall industry basically, the food industry, the retail industry, each and every industry basically have the PhD degree basically. So somebody is telling basically that PhD degree is created for this purpose basically. Then basically the solution was the books basically which was created in the way basically. Then basically one of the person told that the environment, in the environment basically the all languages data which is stored in the format, is that the problem? Is that the problem basically? For example, one MBA book is there basically, right? In MBA book basically it's basically in English language. So English language data basically is going to attract towards the particular person basically. Then one of the person told that basically in environment basically the unique language is stored, and whenever that attracts to your body basically, that time basically the language basically which is written, and that language basically which is written, that basically has generated some blood cells basically in your body basically. That blood cells basically gets activate, and that basically the different language basically data which is written, that is the unique language basically, that basically is attracting your body, and that the conversion basically which is happening, that basically is creating problem. So mostly one of the person told that basically in the language basic, in the environment basically, it's not basically all the languages are stored basically. That is not possible basically. In environment basically English language is not stored basically. In environment basically Hindi language is not stored. In environment basically Gujarati language is not stored. In environment basically Malayalam language is not stored. Languages means energy languages basically. That basically is some different language basically. When you are basically reading the MBA book basically, or basically MC or basically doctorate book basically, that time basically the data gets attracts and it converts into your body basically. So that conversion basically is creating some problem. So like this basically one of the person